Look at what this man from Esan Lad said. He said, Igbos are Igbos. When this name is mentioned, any tongue that speak Bia, including Anioma, is Igbo. Let me tell you, Igbo is an umbrella that everyone that speak Bia comes under. There are many groups such as Owerri, Awka, Nsukka, Ngwa, Ikwerre, Izzi, Anioma, Orlu, Oguta, Nkanu, Onicha, Ekpeye, etc. No one of them is that Igbo, as you say, and these groups have their distinct dialects of Igbo language. I don't know why Bini people are looking for people to increase their numbers. You can never win this argument before God and man. In the picture under the post, he said, Anioma people is Igbo. This shows that this Esan man is a good neighbor to Ndi Igbo. Esan people are neighbors to we Anioma people. Ika people and Enuane people share boundary with Esan people. He said that Igbo language have so many dialects, which includes the dialects that are being spoken in Anioma land. He said that Anioma people are Igbo people. This is how neighbors are expected to address each other. We Anioma people will never tell you that Uromi people in Esan land are different from Irora people in Esan land. That Irora people are different from Ubiaja people in Esan land. We don't preach disunity. We don't preach hate. Every community that speaks a dialect of Esan language are Esan people. We Anioma people, we have a common name. That name is Igbo. Then they call us Anioma people. That Anioma is an acronym. If, for example, we Ukwane people get Ukwane state, we will no longer be called Anioma people. We are called Anioma people now because we Ukwane people, Ika, Oshimiri, and Anyocha are in one block now. In order to identify as a single unit, an acronym is being brought out from our names, which made us to be called Anioma people. If we get Ukwane state, we will no longer be called Anioma. But even if we Ukwane people are in another state, outside Ika people, outside Oshimiri and Anyocha people, one name holds we Ukwane people, Ika, Oshimiri and Anyocha people together, and that name is Igbo. Igbo are found in different states and different geopolitical zones in Nigeria. But one name holds all of us together, and that name is Igbo. Igbo don't speak only one Igbo dialect. We speak different dialects of Igbo language. If we Anioma people are not Igbo people, why is it that when our Igbo brothers in the southeast speak, we hear and understand? People you hear and understand their language without learning it in school, without learning it from the movies. You and those people now one people. Someone from Ubiaja in Esan land that have not lived or spent part of his life in Uromi. If he enter Uromi, he go dey hear wetin Uromi people dey talk. That alone suppose tell you say Ubiaja and Uromi na brothers, na one people dey be. If me and you dey understand each other language, we be one people. Person wey be say you never live for your community before, he never live for your own before. But if una see, if the person dey speak him own language dey give you, you dey speak your own dey give am. Una dey communicate well. You can never classify we Anioma people as Bini people. It's not possible. You can never classify we Anioma people as Urobo people. It's not possible. You can never classify we Anioma people as Esan people. It's not possible. You classify us by our language. Our identity is our language. Where we belong is our language. Where did Ukwane language belong in Nigeria? It belongs to Igbo language. Where did Ika language belong in Nigeria? Igbo language. Where did Enuane language belong in Nigeria? Igbo language. Where did Ikwerre language belong in Nigeria? Igbo language. Now, which block in Nigeria do these people belong? They belong to the Igbo block. Your language is Igbo. Your culture and tradition is Igbo. You are saying you are not Igbo. If your language, your name, your culture and tradition is Igbo, you are an Igbo person. If your language, culture and tradition is Esan, you are an Esan person. If your language, culture and tradition is Bini, you are a Bini person. If your language, culture and tradition is Urobo, you are an Urobo person. This is how neighbors are supposed to be talking about their own neighbors. Not coming out online saying that Anioma people are not Igbo people. Anioma people are Bini people. As the man come social media, talk truth, say we Anioma people are Igbo people. He comot anything from him body? No. Did he die? No. But instead of some of our neighbors to emulate from this man, out of pain say they be minority, they no want make we Anioma people embrace our Igbo brothers in the southeast. Because of say them be minority, they want make we Anioma people be minority by denying our Igbo identity. Anioma is not Igbo. But when they start talking about the 1966 coup, they will tell you that Anioma is Igbo. Anioma is not Igbo, but during the Biafra war, we Anioma people were massacred the way they massacred our Igbo brothers in the southeast. We are not Igbo people, but when we ran into your land for safety, you were killing we Anioma people. If we Anioma people are not Igbo people, as we run enter the land of our neighbors for safety, they will never kill us. During the Biafra war, once your language is Igbo, that is when they will kill you. Igbo people in Edo State said that during the Biafra war, that some of them started saying that they are Bini people in order not to be killed by Nigeria army. If Nigeria army ask them, what is your name? They mention Bini name, say, now this Bini name be their name. Nigeria army officer where they speak Bini go come speak Bini to them. If that Igbo person not fit speak Bini language, they go kill him. Talk say he is lying. He is an Igbo person claiming to be a Bini person. Igbo person be say na Ika they speak, oh, he was killed. That is to tell you that Ika language is Igbo language. No matter how you speak Igbo language, as far as that your language is an Igbo language, you are speaking Igbo language. During the Biafra war, Nigeria army, they meet to Urobo people. They say these people's language is not Igbo. They are not Igbo people. That was the reason why the Nigeria army did not touch Urobo people. They did not touch Esan people. That was the reason why they did not touch Isoko people. They just started killing us from Abo, from Ukwane, all over Anioma land and in the southeast. Bini people are claiming that we Anioma people are Bini people. The man from Esan land said that Bini people are looking for people to add to their population, to increase their population. This expansionist agenda that Bini people are doing is simply because they want to increase in number. The major people in this south that are saying that Anioma is not Igbo is Bini people. So many Bini bloggers on social media, their post is Anioma is not Igbo, Abo is not Igbo, Ika is not Igbo, Ukwan is not Igbo, Enuan is not Igbo. All of them are under the Oba of Bini. All their kings are Bini princes. Their culture and tradition is Bini. Our ancestors in Anioma land ran away from Idu land to our present location. Why were they running? They were running away from slavery and human sacrifice that the Oba of Bini is using them to do. Bini history recorded that the Oba of Bini did not sell Bini people into slavery. But Bini history recorded that Bini kingdom sold Igbo people into slavery. Who are those Igbo people that the Oba of Bini sold into slavery? It's Anioma people. Bini kingdom did not cross River Niger to go and be capturing Igbo in the southeast to sell into slavery. Bini history has it that Oba of Bini does not cross water. Oba of Bini not dey enter water. Na Anioma people Oba of Bini dey capture. Do you know how many communities in Anioma land that the Oba of Bini invaded? Bini history has it that Oba Owerri, the first of Bini kingdom, conquered 201 communities. Those 201 communities includes communities in Anioma land. It includes other communities in Edo State. It includes other communities in Ondo State. It includes part of Lagos State. It includes part of Kogi State. How can you conquer people and still be claiming that those people you conquered are Bini people? Bini people will tell you that they have conquered Anioma land, and for that, we Anioma people are Bini people, even if we are speaking Igbo language. You conquered we Anioma people, yet our language is Igbo language and not Bini language. You conquered we Anioma people, yet our culture and tradition is Igbo and not Bini. Bini kingdom did not conquer Anioma land. Bini kingdom are just terrorists and expansionists invading other communities, subduing them to be ruling over those communities. That was why Bini kingdom was called Bini Empire. An empire is not one people. The Oba of Bini in those days is an emperor. Other communities that are afraid of him, make he not come invade them, kill them, they started paying the Oba of Bini homage. That was why Bini kingdom was called an empire. And during those days, Bini language did not overpower other people. We Anioma people were still speaking Igbo language. Esan people were speaking Esan language. Ijaw people were speaking Ijaw language. Everybody were there for that Bini empire at that time. All of them are separate people. People who don't trace their ancestry to Bini kingdom. Now that we are all in Nigeria, everybody can start to bear their papa name. Yet, Bini kingdom don't want to move on. They are online saying that we Anioma people are Bini people, that we were once part of Bini empire. An empire is being ruled by an emperor or an empress. That emperor became an emperor by invading and subduing other distinct kingdoms to be under him. If that empire fall, all those kingdoms that is under that empire are now free people. An empire is a slave zone whereby kingdoms are now under the dictatorship of a single person called an emperor. That was what Bini kingdom was doing to other people in those days. That time when Bini people started to use our people for slavery and sacrifice for Idu land. Now that time our people run come up from Idu land, come our present location. Urobo people ran away from Idu land because of the wickedness of the Oba of Bini. We Anioma people, we ran out from Idu land because of the wickedness of the Oba of Bini. Today, Bini people are saying that Urobo people are Bini people. Ukwane people are Bini people. Ika people are Bini people. Enuane people are Bini people. Bini history recorded that the people that the Oba of Bini is using for slavery and sacrifice in those days is Urobo, Ndi Igbo, Ijaw, Esan people, and so on. Bini history did not record that the Oba of Bini was using Bini people for slavery and sacrifice. How can you be using us for slavery and sacrifice and still be claiming that we are Bini people? We Anioma people are not Bini people. We don't have the same culture and tradition with Bini kingdom. You will see some Anioma people telling you that they are not Igbo people, that they are Bini people. You be Bini person, your language, culture and tradition not be Bini. Bini people that came from Yoruba land, today they are now speaking Bini language. None of them is claiming that they are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. Instead, they are only saying that they are Bini people. Now only for Anioma land, you go see people when they speak Igbo language, they go tell you say, they not be Igbo people, they be Delta states, they be South, they be Bini. We Anioma people are Igbo people. Ikwerre people are Igbo people. The indigenous Igbo people in the South are Igbo people. The indigenous Igbo people in the Middle Belt are Igbo people. Igbo bofu Ishewale.